Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we have a cooking video for you guys. Today we'll be showing you how we make our Smith Gang seafood bang sauce that we use to eat with our mukbangs. So let's get started. Here are the items you'll need. You'll need some unsalted butter. We have 1 large lemon, some chili garlic sauce, ginger, minced garlic, garlic powder, oil-based seasoning, and some onion powder. We also use some brown sugar. That's not pictured here. That's not here on the video, but we did use sugar. All right, so the first thing I do is I cut up some onion, bell peppers, and celery, and I put it in a pot with 3 sticks of unsalted butter, as you see here. The onions, bell peppers, and celery, guys, they make it taste so good. All right, so this is the base for our sauce. And once the butter starts melting and this starts cooking, we'll move on to the next clip. All right, so now the butter is melting and the butter and seasoning is starting to cook. And while that's doing that, I'm gonna take my large lemon and I'm gonna squeeze all the juice out of it. And I'm gonna add that to the pot. Just like that. I'm gonna get that a mix and then we're gonna move on to the next step. So now I'm gonna start adding in all my ingredients. So I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of ginger and mix that in. Now guys, ginger is really strong, so it's up to you how you like it, but 1 tablespoon works best for us. Now I'm gonna go in with my chili garlic sauce. I get this sauce from Walmart, and I'm gonna add about 6 tablespoons to this. You add much as you like. It is spicy, so it's up to you. It's up to you about how you like your spice, how you can handle, as much spice. Like I said, I'm going to add about 6 tablespoons of this chili garlic sauce. Off camera, I did add some parsley flakes and some basil flakes, and I did add sugar as well, brown sugar. So you can add sugar to taste. Okay, guys, give it a stir, let it cook and simmer, and after that, you should have something that looks just like this. All right, so what you see on the top there is the butter, and at the bottom is all the yumminess, okay? So that's how it looks once it's done, and we're gonna go ahead and put it in our clear bowl to prepare for our seafood boil. Guys, we did do this a couple of nights ago. We didn't film, but like we always say, we love to do seafood balls at home, and we just eat as a family. So this is how it look in the green bowl. This is how it look in the clear bowl. And this was our seafood that night. That night we had snow crabs. We had the 2125 big shrimp that we get from Sam's. We had some fresh corn that we were boiling, and we also had some eggs. Okay, guys? So that's it for this video. If you do like our cooking videos, please let us know, and we'll start to upload some more. Until next time, make sure you subscribe. See you soon.